Gold. Gold or Au. Chemical element. A dense lustrous yellow precious metal of group 11 1b, period 6 of the periodic table of elements. Gold has several qualities that have made it exceptionally valuable throughout history. It is attractive in color and brightness, durable to the point of virtual indestructibility, highly malleable, and usually found in nature in a comparatively pure form. The history of gold is unequaled by that of any other metal because of its perceived value from earliest times.
Iron is a mineral that the body needs for growth and development. Your body uses iron to make hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body, and myoglobin, a protein that provides oxygen to muscles. Your body also needs iron to make some hormones.
Silver. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag from Latin argentum silver derived from the Proto-Indo-European shiny white, and atomic number 47, a soft white lustrous transition metal. It exhibits the highest electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and reflectivity of any metal. The metal is found in the Earth's crust in the pure, free element form native silver, as an alloy with gold and other metals, in minerals such as argentite and chloragyrite. Most silver is produced as a byproduct of copper, gold, lead, and zinc refining. Copper. Copper is a reddish gold colored metal that is ductile, malleable, and an effective conductor of heat and electricity. Copper was the first metal to be worked with by humans and is among the most widely used metals today. Copper combines well with other metals to form widely used alloys, such as brass and bronze. Copper is considered a base metal as it oxidizes relatively easily. It has the symbol Cu and the atomic number of 29 on the periodic table. The name is derived from the Latin a cyprium, meaning are from Cyprus. The discovery that copper could be alloyed with tin to form bronze gave rise to the Bronze Age.
Zirconium is a very strong, malleable, ductile, lustrous silver-gray metal. Its chemical and physical properties are similar to those of titanium. Zirconium is extremely resistant to heat and corrosion. Zirconium is lighter than steel and its hardness is similar to copper. When it is finely divided, the metal can spontaneously ignite in air, especially at high temperatures. Zirconium powder is black and is regarded as very dangerous fire hazard. Zirconium does not dissolve in acids and alkalis.
Silicon is a chemical element with the symbol Si and atomic number 14. It is a hard brittle crystalline solid with a blue-gray metallic luster and is a turbulent metalloid and a semiconductor. It is a member of group 14 in the periodic table. Carbon is above it, uranium, tin, lead, and ferrovium are below it.
Germanium. Pure germanium is a hard lustrous gray-white brittle metalloid. It has a diamond-like crystalline structure and it is similar in chemical and physical properties to silicon. Germanium is stable in air and water and is unaffected by alkalis and acids, except nitric acid.
Tellurium. Tellurium is a chemical element with the symbol Te and atomic number 52. It is a brittle, mildly toxic, rare, silver-white metalloid. Tellurium is chemically related to selenium and sulfur, all three of which are chalcogens. It is occasionally found in its native form as elemental crystals. Tellurium is far more common in the universe as a whole than on Earth. Its extreme rarity in the Earth's crust, comparable to that of platinum, is due partly to its formation of a volatile hydride that caused tellurium to be lost to space as a gas during the hot nebular formation of Earth.
Antimony. Antimony is a chemical element with the symbols Sb and atomic number 51. A lustrous gray metalloid, it is found in nature mainly as the sulfide mineral stibnite. Antimony compounds have been known since ancient times and were powdered for use as medicine and cosmetics.
Phosphorus is a chemical element with the symbol P and atomic number 15. Elemental phosphorus exists in two major forms, white phosphorus and red phosphorus. But because it is highly reactive, phosphorus is never found as a free element on Earth. It has a concentration in the Earth's crust of about 1 gram per kilogram. Compare copper at about 0.06 grams. In minerals, phosphorus generally occurs as phosphate.
Oxygen is the chemical element with the symbol O and atomic number 8. It is a member of the Chalcogen group in the periodic table. A highly reactive non-metal, an oxidizing agent that readily forms oxides with the most elements as well as with other compounds. Oxygen is the Earth's most abundant element, and after hydrogen and helium, it is the third most abundant element in the universe. At standard temperature and pressure, two atoms of the element bind to form dioxygen, a colorless and odorless diatomic gas with formula O2. The atomic oxygen gas currently constitutes 20.95% of the Earth's atmosphere, though this has changed considerably over a long period of time. Oxygen makes up almost half of the Earth's crust in the form of oxides.
Carbon. Carbon from Latin carbo, coal, is a chemical element with the symbol C and atomic number 6. It is non-metallic and tetravalent, its atom making 4 electrons available to form covalent chemical bonds. It belongs to the group 14 of the periodic table. Carbon makes up about 0.025% of Earth's crust. 3 isotopes occur naturally, and 4,3C being stable, while 14C is a radionuclide decaying with a half-life of about 5,730 years. Carbon is one of the few elements known since antiquity.
Selenium. Selenium is a chemical element with the symbol Se and atomic number 34. It is a metalloid, more rarely considered a non-metal, with properties that are intermediate between the elements above and below in the periodic table, sulfur and tellurium, and also has similarities to arsenic. It seldom occurs in its elemental state or as pure ore compounds in Earth's crust. Selenium, from ancient Greek Selene, moon, was discovered in 1817 by John Jacob Berzelius, who noted the similarities of new elements to the previously discovered tellurium, named for the Earth.
Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a chemical element with the symbol N and atomic number 7. Nitrogen is a nonmetal and the lightest member of group 15 of the periodic table. Often called the nitrogens, it is a common element in the universe, estimated at 7th in total abundance in the Milky Way and the solar system, at standard temperature and pressure. Two atoms of the element bond to form N2, a colorless and odorless diatomic gas. N2 forms about 78% of Earth's atmospheres, making it the most abundant uncombined element in air. Because of the volatility of nitrogen compounds, nitrogen is relatively rare in the solid parts of the Earth.